Welcome to our channel. In this video, we explore the fascinating world of stone art decor. Discover innovative designs that transform natural stone into stunning decorative pieces for your home. From intricate carvings to modern minimalist styles, we'll showcase a variety of creative ideas that celebrate the beauty of stone. Get inspired and learn how to incorporate these unique art pieces into your space for a timeless and elegant touch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. Discover innovative designs that transform natural stone into stunning decorative pieces for your home. From intricate carvings to modern minimalist styles, we'll showcase a variety of creative ideas that celebrate the beauty of stone. Get inspired and learn how to incorporate these unique art pieces into your space for a timeless and elegant touch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. First up, let's explore some stunning stone sculptures. These unique pieces can serve as focal points in any room. From abstract designs to lifelike figures, each sculpture tells a story and adds character to your space. Next, we have stone wall art. Think of intricate carvings or polished stone tiles that can transform a plain wall into a work of art. These designs not only enhance aesthetics but also bring a touch of nature indoors. Now, let's talk about functional decor. Stone centerpieces or decorative bowls make for eye-catching display items. They can be used for holding keys, fruits, or simply as standalone art pieces that catch the eye of your guests. Feeling inspired? Here's a quick DIY idea. You can create your own stone art decor using natural stones and some simple tools. All you need are a few stones, paint, and your creativity. Let's see how it's done. Start by choosing your stones. Clean them, then use acrylic paint to add your designs. You can go for geometric patterns, floral motifs, or even abstract art. Once dry, arrange them in a decorative bowl or display them on a shelf. So, whether you prefer elegant sculptures, striking wall art, or DIY creations, stone art decor offers endless possibilities to personalize your space. Stone has been a cherished material for centuries, not just for its durability but also for its natural beauty. In this video, we'll explore various creative stone art pieces that can transform your space. 1. Stone art. Stone has been a cherished material for centuries, not just for its durability but also for its natural beauty. In this video, we'll explore various creative stone art pieces that can transform your space. Segment 2, Types of Stone Art. Carved stone sculptures. Show examples of intricate stone sculptures. These sculptures can be anything from abstract forms to detailed representations of animals or nature. Stone wall art. Display images of stone wall installations. Use flat stones to create stunning wall art that adds texture and depth to your rooms. Garden stone decor. Show gardens with stone features. Incorporate stone art in your garden with decorative stones or even handcrafted bird baths. Segment 3, DIY stone art projects. Painted stones. Gather some smooth stones and use outdoor paint to create your own designs. These can be used as garden markers or decorative elements. Stone coasters. Transform natural stones into beautiful coasters. Simply seal them with a waterproof finish and add felt pads underneath. Stone candle holders. Create rustic candle holders by hollowing out larger stones. They make for beautiful centerpieces. Segment 4, Where to find stone art. Segment 5, Styling tips. Mix and match. Combine stone decor with other materials like wood and metal for a balanced look. Create focal points. Use larger sculptures or wall art as focal points in rooms to draw the eye. Natural elements. Incorporate plants alongside your stone decor for a natural, earthy feel. Stone has been used for centuries in art and architecture, and its durability makes it perfect for decor. From sculptures to functional items, the versatility of stone is truly remarkable. Let's take a closer look at some creative pieces. Segment 2, Decorative Stone Sculptures. First up, we have decorative stone sculptures. These can be anything from abstract forms to realistic representations of animals. They serve as stunning focal points in any room. Consider placing a large stone sculpture in your garden or a smaller piece on your shelf. Segment 3, Stone Candle Holders. Next, let's talk about stone candle holders. These add a warm ambience to your space. Choose a rough-hewn style for a rustic look, or opt for sleek, polished finishes for a more modern vibe. They make perfect gifts too. Segment 4, Stone Coasters and Serving Trays. How about some practical decor? Stone coasters and serving trays are not only functional but also stylish. They can elevate your dining experience and impress your guests. Plus, they're easy to clean. Segment 5, Wall Art and Accents. Stone wall art is another fantastic option. Think of mosaic designs or larger stone panels that add texture and depth to your walls. These pieces can turn any ordinary wall into a work of art. Segment 6, DIY Stone Decor Projects. For the creatives out there, consider DIY stone decor projects. You can paint stones to create unique garden markers or make personalized gifts for friends. The possibilities are endless. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate stone art into your home decor. Whether you buy unique pieces or create your own, stone art brings a natural elegance that can't be beat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite stone art ideas in the comments below. The importance of a creative stone art decor collection. 1. Aesthetic appeal. Stone art adds a natural elegance to any space. Its unique textures and colors can enhance the overall decor, making a room feel more inviting and stylish. 2. Durability. Stone is a long-lasting material that withstands the test of time. Unlike other decor materials, stone art can retain its beauty for years with minimal maintenance. 3. Connection to nature. Incorporating stone art into your decor fosters a connection to the natural world. It brings elements of nature indoors, promoting a sense of tranquility and grounding. 4. Cultural significance. Many stone art pieces reflect cultural heritage and craftsmanship. They can tell stories, celebrate traditions, and provide insight into different artistic techniques. 5. Versatility. Stone art comes in various forms, from sculptures and wall art to functional pieces like tables and coasters. This versatility allows for creative expression in multiple areas of your home. 6. Eco-friendly choice. Using natural materials like stone is an environmentally friendly option. It reduces reliance on synthetic materials and supports sustainable practices. 7. Enhancing value. Quality stone art can be seen as an investment. Unique pieces may appreciate over time, adding value to your home decor. 8. Stimulating creativity. Collecting and displaying stone art can inspire creativity, encouraging you to think outside the box and explore new design concepts in your living space. In summary, a creative stone art decor collection not only beautifies your environment but also provides durability, cultural depth, and a connection to nature, making it a valuable addition to any home. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the creative stone art decor collection. We hope you found inspiration for your own home. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up and share your favorite piece in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more inspiring ideas. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.